Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, let's take a look at SMCI stock. And has the bulls failed? Are the bulls kaboom? They couldn't do it. Well, let's take a look at all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. And by the end of this video, you would know what to do from here on based off of the price action, what we see right now. Bullish or bearish, what it is, let's jump right into it, guys. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. All right. Now, as you know, yesterday SMCI complied with all the NASDAQ listing rules and everything. Everything was up in the air. Great, good stuff on the cloud, top of the cloud and everything. Great stuff. Right. But today we have a red candle. Now, it's a very it could be a problematic candle as well, but it's a candle that does have a saving potential. And what do I mean by that? Look, everything is not lost yet, but definitely this candle again puts us in a cautionary state. Okay, so let's jump to the hourly interval right away. All right, because that's where all the price action is. All the good stuff is that we need to be focusing on. So this is where we had a gap up. And I mentioned that anything until $50.54 or $50.50 around, it has to be taken as a pullback. All right. So there were two areas. And these levels, especially like the intraday levels and significant levels, my tools marks these all automatically for you. SMCI did try to bounce. All right, that's why these levels are so important. We did get one bounce there, and then we did have a 3 hours of potential hold at that $50.50 area. So that's why these levels were so important, because we'll see a price reaction there. But at the same time, when I say if pullback happens, you should look at these areas to see if it's a buy and how to know if the pullback has completed itself. So we came down to $50.50. We are watching the price action here, but at the same, what I want to see after that pullback is we closing a hourly candle at least above that level, above at least like an intraday or whatever level is above there, and that was the level which we didn't close. Thus, that pullback didn't confirm itself as completed, and thus we didn't though become in an intraday bullish play yet. Now, I wanted to see it hold above and close above $50.50. Now, Nvidia had its earnings. There is a post-market little bit of that, chain reaction ongoing. Nvidia's earnings pretty much went no reactionary, right? And SMCI is a little bit reacting to that as well. All the these AI stocks or chip stocks. I don't like to call them AI stocks, they're chip stocks. But what does it puts us in? Like what do we look for now, right? So unfortunately, we didn't hold that uptrend. $50.50 was again the last line of defense. We lost that. And we does have also been marking all the way throughout the day a lower high. All right. Now, for the bullish play, again, when we have earnings of Nvidia that affects in a chain reaction, everything, I definitely want to see the next day as well. But you will only look bullish on SMCI for any play, both intraday or long swing from here on. It will only become bullish again tomorrow if we get above $50.50 area, this very zone. Okay, $50.50 to $50.60. Okay, it's a zone. If we get above it tomorrow, we close an hourly candle above it, things will start to a little bit stabilize at least. And then we want to keep breaking level by level above. But that's something will only bring back the strength if we can stabilize above $50.50 area. If we are not doing that, and since even it tried for multiple hours, it eventually, as I said, in the post market, it gave up. And that's why I still want to give it that benefit of a doubt because of the chain reaction going through Nvidia. If we get above $50.50 tomorrow, we should be again fine. If we don't, unfortunately, no. It remains in a negative sentiment, and we may then pretty much will continue lower then, guys. Then watch any of the levels again below, right? That's where we are going. So Yeah, it's that's why I always say trading principles are the key aspects of trading. We are watching what the structure is doing. We are watching the important key levels, what the price action is doing there. And if it, after that, once the price has reacted at that level, is the reaction passing? In this case, we wanted to break and close above a level above. We didn't do that, thus still keeping a lower high, and thus that pullback, we lost that level unfortunately, and we are coming down. So let's see what happens tomorrow. What the level to watch for that is $50.50 area. We get above it, we should be fine. If we can't, we will remain negative on this thing and we'll remain weak. Until then, it will just be a rebound. That would be it. It won't make it bullish structure. So yeah. So but $50.50 is to watch right now. I do have to say that intraday, multi-day, again, we are more on the negative side unless we get above $50.50. And yeah, otherwise, no. And on weekly interval, right now, you might not see that post-market reaction, but pretty much if we start to dip lower here and we close this week below $50.50, that pretty much means the momentum has escaped out of SMCI. On weekly interval, that will still result as a pullback, but in the near term or in a momentum play to the uptrend, that won't be there. So you are still intraday, multi-day weakening, right? And so accordingly, whatever type of trade you are taking, you will trade based off of these levels. So that's pretty much I have on SMCI for you guys. So it's a little bit of a bleed today on the stock, right? It's like, yeah, I did try, like for example, you can see for when we had a pullback in the day at this level 52 and 51 cents marked by my tools, automatically we got a stabilization, and that's what you are watching, right? These tools they help you to understand where the structure is turning bullish or negative. And then as we lost that, and then pretty much guys, we just lost the train. We started to just go lower and lower, level by level, and continued lower then. So yep, not that good, right? So anyways, yeah, I gave you the levels. Those are the levels to watch. Yeah, so we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow at this point. And that's all I had for you guys in this video. Yeah, and other stocks, I already talked about it, guys. Check out the details if you're also interested on those 50 plus stocks coverage. Details are in the description of this video together with the trading tools. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.